Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to remove Hostgator's Favicon from website. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your account on Hostgator, and then removing the Favicon from your website is really a straightforward process. Basically, the Favicon is the icon right here that is right next to your website's name. Now from here, all you're gonna do is log into your account on Hostgator, and once you have done that, we need to access the main dashboard. Now the next thing we need to do is to go to the WordPress powered by Hostgator, and if you're still following, your interface might be different from what I have, but if you have that option, go to the left side of the dashboard, hover down below where it says appearance, because from here, when you click on appearance, you would have plenty of options from themes, customize, widgets, and menus. And all you're going to do is click on customize. And from there, you will easily see the option for the site identity. And from there, click on the select site icon. That's where we're going to change from the Hostgator Favicon to the site's logo. And basically, when you click on the site identity icon, it says that site icons should be square and at least 512 by 512 pixels. Now, for us, in order to do that, you can simply use a lot of editing tools like Photoshop and a lot more, but I suggest you use this platform called Canva. And from here, because it says 512 by 512 pixels, click on the upper right corner that says create a design and the customized size, which is going to be 512 by 512 pixels. All right, now click on it. Now you need to resize the site icon that you wanted to replace on the Hostgator's Favicon. Now once you are here, all you're going to do is resize the icon accordingly, and again, the size here is 512 by 512 pixels, and you can even rename it. Right now that it's done, all you're gonna do is click on share and obviously download the file. And the format that's one of the best that has lossless quality should be a PNG, and you have all of these options. But you might want to click on the most highest resolutions that your website can upload. All right, and click on download. And once you have done that, all you're gonna do again is go to the site identity and upload the site icon that we have already saved on Canva. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.